Hello and welcome to the second video of the chapter Capacitor and Capacitance. Today I am going to discuss about definition, formula of capacitance, its unit and dimension, behavior of capacitor, and which two factors capacitance depends on. Topic of the next video: capacitance of spherical capacitor and problems, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor and problems. What is capacitance? Capacitance is the ability of a capacitor to collect and store energy in the form of an electrical charge. As you know, V is directly proportional to the Q, where V is the potential difference between the conductors and Q is the amount of charge given to the conductor. Now, Q by V is constant and this ratio is denoted by C. C is equal to Q by V. This C is known as capacitance. Hence, capacitance is the ratio of the electric charge on each conductor to the potential difference between them. If V is equal to 1, then C is equal to Q. Thus, capacitance is the charge required to raise the potential difference by 1 unit. Now, the unit of capacitance in SI system is farad. Hence, 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. As farad is a large quantity of capacitance, microfarad is commonly used, where 1 microfarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Now, the dimension of capacitance is M inverse L to the power minus 2 T to the power minus 4 A square. Now, let's discuss about behavior of capacitor. Do you know net charge inside a capacitor is 0 and net electric field inside a capacitor is also 0. Charge resides on the outer surface of the conductor. And fourth behavior of capacitor is electrical field of a charged capacitor is always normal to the surface of the conductor. Which two factors capacitance depends on? One is size and shape of capacitor, that is the cross-sectional area of a capacitor, and two is nature of dielectric medium.